How does sensory transduction convert external stimuli? Imagine touching a hot surface or hearing a loud sound. Your body instantly recognizes these sensations and reacts. But how does your body turn these external signals into something your brain can understand? That's where sensory transduction comes into play. It is the process that transforms physical or chemical stimuli from outside your body into electrical signals that your nervous system can interpret. This process is fundamental for sensing the world around you and responding appropriately. The journey begins with sensory receptors, which are specialized nerve endings or cells designed to detect specific types of stimuli. For example, mechanoreceptors respond to pressure or touch, photoreceptors respond to light, and chemoreceptors respond to chemicals like odors or tastes. Each receptor type is tuned to only respond to certain stimuli, a feature called receptor specificity. When a stimulus hits a receptor, it causes a change in the receptor's membrane, which is the outer layer of the cell. This change in the membrane is called a receptor potential. Think of it as a small electrical shift that depends on how strong or weak the stimulus is. For example, pressing harder on your skin causes a larger receptor potential in the mechanoreceptors. This electrical change opens ion channels, tiny gateways in the cell membrane, that allow ions like sodium or calcium to flow into the cell. This influx of ions causes the inside of the receptor to become less negative, a process called depolarization. If the depolarization reaches a certain level, it triggers an action potential. An action potential is a rapid, all-or-nothing electrical signal that travels along the nerve fibers toward the brain or spinal cord. This is how your body sends information about what it is sensing. Different sensory systems use this same basic process but adapt it to their specific needs. In the visual system, light hits photoreceptors in the retina, causing a chemical change in a protein called rhodopsin. This change results in a decrease in neurotransmitter releases, which sends signals to the brain about light and dark. Interestingly, more light causes hyperpolarization, which is a different electrical response compared to other senses. In hearing, hair cells in the inner ear respond to vibrations from sound waves by bending, which opens ion channels and causes depolarization. This electrical signal then travels to the brain to interpret the sound. In smell, chemical molecules bind to receptors on sensory neurons inside your nose. This binding creates electrical signals that representing different odors. The receptive field of each sensory receptor defines how much of the environment it can detect. Touch receptors need direct contact, while visual receptors can detect light from far away. All these processes show how diverse stimuli are converted into a common language, electrical signals, that your nervous system understands. This transformation is vital for your senses to work properly and for your body to respond to its surroundings. Without sensory transduction, your brain would have no way of knowing what's happening outside or inside your body. It's a key part of the systems of control and support within your nervous system, making sure you stay aware and responsive to the world around you.